Alright guys, so right here, it'll be a little difficult to hold it, but you can see the throttle percentage right there. It's fluctuating like crazy. See, it never reached 100% right there. Alright guys, we're going to get this MCOR replaced in this axis, and we're going to show you the difference between both MCORs, between what the precedent uses and what the axis uses. So first thing we're going to do is get these bolts out. One there and one right down there. We're going to flip this mat over, get it off of our pedal assembly, and remove the pedal. Alright, so there's our mat pushed back. Now you got to get these two out and those two out. Unhook your brake pedal rod there, and then that'll be all she wrote. Okay, got that up. And lastly, we need to unplug the MCOR. Okay, now take our pedal assembly, flip it upside down, and then you're going to take this piece off. That is your MCOR. It's got that little screw right there. Get that screw out, and then there's a tab that holds it here and there. Just push down and pop it right out. There guys, there you go. MCOR's off. There's the space that attaches to it. That's what your pedal uses to move the sensor. So now let's go grab us one for the club car precedent, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so there is the precedent and the axis MCORs side by side. This is the precedent. That's the axis. Look pretty close to me. Huh? Let's see if it works. Popped right in there like it's supposed to. Now we see if it fixes the problem. Alright, so now that we've got the new MCOR on, you just do all of that in reverse. Alright guys, so it doesn't take long to do it. It's not very hard at all. You can see we're back together again, and we are going to take this thing for a test spin and see what happens. Okay everybody, so after the test drive, it is 100% fixed. The problem that the cart had was it had a super long delay before it would take off, and when it did, it would just like try to break your neck taking off, and sometimes it wouldn't even move. And so you'd lift your foot off the pedal, push it back down, and then all of a sudden, boom, it'd just take off. And so what was happening is that the sensor in the old MCOR wasn't telling the controller, you know, how far you had pushed the pedal, and so it would be a major delay after pushing the pedal on when this actually registered with the controller on how fast to go. So like you guys seen, we swapped in a new one from a club car precedent. It will absolutely work on this golf cart. There's quite a few things that will most likely work from the club car models on the Axis EVs, so be mindful of that. And as you know, we can certainly help in any way we can. If you own one of these Axis EVs and you're having similar problems, but just keep in mind that there's always something that being that it's electric golf cart, there's always something that is going to fail. It just would be a matter of time. I guess we will say that this golf cart is probably one of the closest off-brand, and when I mean off-brand is we typically only deal with the big three: Club Car, E-Z-GO, and Yamaha. But the Axis at this moment is the closest golf cart that we have seen to being almost equivalent to Club Car here. So in short, guys, if you're going to buy this golf cart because of its warranty, don't do it, because we have tried for several weeks now to reach out to these guys in becoming an official repair center for them, but they have not answered phone calls, they have not answered emails. We've gone through so much to try to get a hold of somebody from Hyosung that it's unreal. You know, we want to give you guys good quality opinions here, and that's what we're trying to do in this video. The problem is that, like I said, it is really hard to get somebody to talk to other than animated service, and it does you no justice whatsoever. But the customer brought this cart to us originally due to this fact, due to the fact that he was trying to get this golf cart fixed, and they sent him emails telling him that they have a repair center somewhere real far off from where he lives. And so he followed their directions, did his diligence, took it to those people. They said they had it fixed, they replaced a part, but it did not fix the golf cart. So come to find out that the place that he took it to was not actually a golf cart dealer of any sort. And so they did what they could for him, and he finally just got pretty much fed up, and he brought it to us. And these carts are very, very repairable, but we are trying to do our diligence, so is our customer, and try to do the right thing with the company and say, hey guys, look, you know, we got a very good idea of what's going on with this golf cart. Can we get the parts to fix it with, and it be a warranty situation? Well, it has been a real nightmare for both the customer for a very long time before he even reached out to us, and it's been a bit of a nightmare for us trying to get, you know, in touch with somebody. And we want to give these carts a great opinion, a review, or whatever, which is not really an official review. We're just giving our opinion because we feel like these carts are very well designed, but it just boils down to needing to have the customer service to do the repairs for these golf carts. It's got a lot of power, it's got a lot of speed, it looks great. The price point is really good as well, and it's just really hard to say that you have such a wonderfully designed golf cart to have such downfalls in helping the customers when they have problems like this. As always, guys, we thank you for watching, and hopefully this video will help anybody out there that owns an Axis having any kind of similar problems. They're really close to the Club Car, and so that gives us the opportunity to possibly help you with other things as well. Feel free to comment about it. Give us a call if you need to. God bless you all. Thank you for watching this video. Have a blessed day, guys.